Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
What up, everybody? It's your boy Vimy, back at it again today with another shoe. I say it's a shoe at the vault. This one I've been looking for and I really haven't been able to find it, so I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised with this video. So let's get to it. So today I got a pair of ACG Nike Air Max 90s. And again, another Air Max 90, but these I feel like I just had to share with the world because I have not seen them anywhere. Air Max 90 ACGs 2010 from Corporate. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with Corporate. Out in Cincinnati, Ohio. Shout out to them. And I got these for $103. Thanks for the support. As you can see, no cap. And I know I missed out on some Jordan 11s around this time. When was this? This was in December. This was December 24th, and I know I missed out on some 11s, so I said, why not pick these up? It's consolation prize because I didn't get what I wanted, and I was kind of happy I got these because these are real nice. These are real nice. As you can see, it's primarily gray. You got purple. You got, I almost call these like an infrared, kind of like a dark infrared. You got blue laces on this pair right here. You got yellow laces on this pair right here. And I've yet to see anybody with these. And like I said, these are ACG, and if you're unfamiliar with ACG, what that means, they're pretty much waterproof. They can be rugged and everything like that. I really don't see how these shoes are rugged though. They look like classic Air Max 90s to me, but you guys can just kind of see what ACG is all about. But yeah, man, so these are my sneakers from the vault. Got reflective tongue here. Like I said, these laces are real fire. It did come with some secondary laces, all gray. The colorway is medium gray, alarming varsity purple. It's a size 12. It retailed for $95. I just want to see what these look like on feet. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And so as you can see, the on feet of these are real fire, huh? They look real nice. I think so too. Sizing wise, I definitely go true to size. Just like regular Air Max 90s. I got these in a size 12, so they do fit kind of big. But I mean, that's pretty much it, man. That's these right here. So if you've never seen them, now you have. And like I said, these came out in 2010 and they held up pretty well. I've worn them once or twice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them now. Definitely check out more shoe reviews over here and more of the vlogs over here. And we should be doing more vlogging soon as coronavirus is hopefully coming to an end. The vaccine is coming out. So you guys just hang on, wear your mask, be cool, be easy.